back, guys. Step back. Let me grab to this real quick. Okay.
You're free me.
Okay. One on board, guys.
Good job. You brought that one in, Jess. Wasn't it short? Wasn't it short? Good workout.
You good, Dish?
Good. So big butt.
Yeah? Better than that lake trout?
Yeah, a lot bigger than it.
Fish on.
Woohoo! Right on, Shem.
Okay.
Yeah, they work out. That's for sure.
Well, 2 colors down here. I'm pretty tangled on Jade.
Yep, you are.
Oh, yeah.
Are you?
Okay, here,
Nope.
here.
Jason's straight down, isn't
Let's
he?
go around here.
No.
Come around.
Okay, Jason, we got a couple
Jason,
colors.
okay, there you go.
You want to try it? I see some color right here.
Boiling right behind us.
Oh, shit.
Somebody's on there.
That one's sick.
Yours is
Is
here?
it sharp?
Okay, I got a top shot.
Is that yours or mine?
There you go. You know your word. Yep, go in here. Unwind, guys. Oh, got to unwind. Yep, got to unwind.
I couldn't see the direction.
Okay, that's okay, Jace. Yep,
Yeah,
just
sure.
don't reel it up any further. Yep, perfect, bud.
Jason, you want to take a break or you want to try this rod and reel? So look, watch me.
Yep.
I'm pumping down. Or picking
I
it
don't
up.
want to get it on the big one.
Good color. I got a tired one.
Yep.
Down to grab it, down to grab it. That's it.
Hurt some sucks.
My jacket.
Grab it again.
Nope. Get out of your way, Jess.
Nice work, bud. I'm just gonna let it go so I can get.
Yep.
Come on. He's a nice one. Yeah, he is. Hold that tight down a little bit. Yep, that'll be easy for me.
Oh, good. Whoever shut the door, good call today.
It's not a big one. You want to take that one? Yeah.
That's been good. He's pretty good at that.
What we got going on here? Reel this one in?
Yep, just trying to get these out of the way. Oh, this one's a road.
We might need a bearing replacement.
Hey guys. You can skip this stuff over there, guys.
Nope.
You get on the other side of Jess.
Okay.
Yep. I'm gonna come on this side and you feel it come.
We're looking, Jimmy, you.
Oh,
Okay.
yes. Got some color.
Okay, step back.
Good job, Jack. Yay.
You look good.
Yeah. A little bit of color.
Color?
A little bit. That's okay. Oh. We need to switch it. Yep, good job. You never have to say sorry to me. All good. That's a good move, James. Okay. All right, now we got color.
Don't horse it into the eyelet. Don't go any further yet. Just watch that. Oh, did he untangle himself from the guys?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, you're good.
Closer. Come closer, not farther. Come on, switch.
And I just... Oh,
Okay,
no, I didn't.
have color.
Okay, maybe not wait so long.
Right
to
here,
hook
right
this,
here, right
guys.
here. Oh, okay. All right. Count to 2.
Yeah, pull it and break it. Don't.
No.
Sorry, dude.
Fine.
Gosh, dang it.
There you go.
Oh, there it goes. Yep.
Good day.
Good job, you guys!
Back corner.
It's right here.
I think you guys get along over there.
And they're becoming fast friends. He hasn't pushed me in yet. Yet. Come on. My face all red? No. I mean, a little bit of, a little bit.
One barely missed my eyeball.
Looks like freckles.
I just don't go my eye or my mouth.
Big bastard.
Big one?
Oh.
Wow, Shem, you catch the biggest tuna. Maybe
It
he's
does
not
get
picking
big.
me up today.
Big old
He's
tune.
like, you know what? I'm really happy with that. What? Going on your boat. I didn't want to go. Whoa!
Oh!
James, you definitely get the prize for the
Tension on that. Tension on that.
Yep, I got you.
Put tension on
Oh,
that.
that's it, sorry.
Oh, Coral!
Is that on bait, Coral?
Yep.
Sweet.
Bring you up.
You can't even count to 5. You just went,
Well, Chris said I can only count to 2 now because they were swallowing the hooks.
Oh.
Gotcha. Classic.
Dress is on!
Jeez, dude, that was. You might have swap with your old man. Yep, there it goes. Good job, Jim. Nice work.
Color.
Okay.
I am trying to control
Good.
your fish.
Pressure. Tension.
Oh, snatch and grab.
What do we got? Are you guys still tangled?
Nope, we don't think so.
Put You got color? Okay.
Get close. Nope. Hit it. Mine's up. Oh.
Right in
So.
the loins. I got him right in the loins.
Oh, bummer.
You didn't have it in Michigan, did you know?
What's that?
He wasn't ready.
No, I didn't even get a swing at this
Oh,
one,
shit, okay.
unfortunately.
I was waiting for Coral to.
Yeah. Oh,
Light
she'll
you
let me
up.
know. Yeah.
Oh, had it.
That was a miss.
That was a
Oh
miss.
shit! I shouldn't have said anything. I'm sorry.
That's a big one.
Jimmy, you up for another one?
Yes, it's on. I got color.
You said that 4 times.
I know. But he really looks tired this time. These flashes.
Come on.
Good bait. This one's your. That's what you want.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Good job, guys.
Yep, nice move, Jace. Good job. Okay, I did not give him hardly any time on that one.
All right.
Woo!
This one did all that hard work. You just
Let me go back.
Yep. Benny. Good job, man. Good job.
You just step back up.
Yeah.
That's a good one, Chase. Got it.
I showed you where I wanted them.
You did. Perfect gap job.
Just ask one.
This thing don't want to go. Need to waste time on it.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, way to go. Oh yeah, he's coming in. Boy, he's a brute of a.
We should bring his buddies in. Wow, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, he's a chunky fish.
Yay!
Look at the loins on. Count the ones on the big out here.
One. Nice fish. Where'd he go? Oh, another nice
Oh, look at that one.
Holy. I think that was the first one that we got. Was that the one on the troll, I think? Pretty sure. The one we got on the troll was a fat one. That was just a single one. Oh, okay.
Fatty. Okay, they're all sort of big.
Four.
Stuff.
Oh, got into that one. Okay. Sorry, didn't know.
He's a blue pole.
It's fine. I was waiting. You had
Hands up.
Hold on.
Good call, Jay.
Yeah. Wait, I'm over. Oh, no, I'm under.
Is everybody on?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're
Wonderful.
all over here, dude. Yep.
Oh,
Color. Yes, has color.
Jay, you trying to hang out with the ladies or what? Fuck, Jess, you horse that in already. Here comes one more to fucking tag all up. We're gonna go between you guys?
yeah, this one's gotta go between.
I do.
Yes.
Yep. Just gonna go.
Start
Yes.
braiding.
Hold that up. Yep. He's gonna do it. Sorry, Jess, you're just kind of.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, no, you're all the way out. Yeah, let's see.
We have 3 different colors right now. It's kind of neat.
Oh, man, hold it.
I'll hold it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Pressure on that one white. Hold on, that's one somebody's ready. What color is that?
That's black.
Reel up what you can.
Reel up?
Reel up, yeah. Whatever you can keep on there.
Need a handy.
Fish on!
Yeah! Here we go, girl.
Let's, Jess.
Yep.
Okay, here, hand line black.
Yep.
Here, I have the wool.
You got the full?
I got the
Here comes the black. Earplugs coming just next.
Yep. Okay, we got one. There were quite a few of them. It seemed like, didn't it?
Okay, we should be free now.
Okay.
Can I get on?
Yep. You got it?
I was like, I'm gonna get greedy while they're over there. Hey, getting greedy. Digging with that.
Ah,
Yay!
nicely done.
Right there. Be nice if I can get a bait around here.
Okay, here we
I'm
go.
just kidding.
There we go.
Can't do that.
Wow, that was a good one, Chris. Torpedo.
Coral, you're on your own now.
Okay, hey, that's a great thing.
Oh, fell off the gap right in time.
Oh, perfect.
Jess, are you ready?
Yeah.
Fish?
Welcome back to the family.
Nope, this way. Yep, and hold your thumb on this. Ready?
This is the honey one right here.
And then the gill.
I can see mine too. He's a fat fish.
Oh, there, okay.
Color. Yeah, color over here too.
Oh, that's a hog.
All right, Jason. It's not color.
Nicely done.
Have it, no?
Oh, you just see on a swing and a miss and a... Hell yeah, just like Shimmy does. Right in the eye. Careful on the knife.
Yes, sir.
You guys are so angry with him.
I think that was my last.
Look at this thing. He is huge. Look at the barnacles on him. I've never seen one this big before.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. tattoos and memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.